Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reverse your videos in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and create a new project or open your existing project. Choose the video that you want to reverse. And now, to reverse, scroll all the way to the right from the bottom menu by selecting the video, and you can see the option reverse. Click on it. Now once reversing is completed, click on play. As you can see, we have successfully reversed the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.